my channel. It's me, Ruby. Today I'm going to be making slime. So because I love slime, in my other video I did this, and I think I said I love slime, but it was a long time ago, so I don't really remember. So let's do this. Alright guys, let's get on to the video. Alright, so first we're gonna need glue. It's huge, ginormous. We're not gonna need all of it because we have small bowls. We've used this before, but yeah, it might be like mine is contact solution, contact solution, and baking soda. Yes. We made these signs. I'm just gonna show you real quick. It's gonna turn out exactly like this. Mine is like. We made these today. Yeah, we made them. Yep. All right. Now let's put them back. All right. So now let's get on to the video. Actually, the video. All right. Actual video. A little bit of glue here. That's a lot. Yep, I know. I'll mix it a little bit. Okay, there we go. I think we're done with the glue. Yeah, I think we're done. All right, now let's. Oh yeah, we need the baking soda. Yeah, baking soda. That's a. Now, this is how it looks. You can barely see, but there's baking soda on it. Yeah, you can. Now it's mixed. That's how we make slime, right, Ruby? We're not even done though. Yeah. Now this is what it looks like mixed in. Now let's put a little more baking soda. Quite some more. Okay. See guys, so this is baking soda. Oh. See, that's how you know there's baking soda in it. Baking soda. And there's powder coming out, so. Like glue is coming out. Try to mix it for like a minute or two, so well maybe not a minute or two, but like for a minute or 30 seconds, because get all of that So there was baking soda on the sides. I'm gonna try to get all of the baking soda off. Keep mixing. We're gonna add a little more baking soda. And then we're gonna use activator, right? Concept. Yes. This is AKA also known as activator. Yeah. Now it's mixed. She really loves slime. You have more slime too. And look, watch till the end because we're gonna show you all the slimes we have. Yeah. Over there on that table. Yeah. When we are done. All right, now it's time for the activator. Activator. All right, mix. Don't put too much. You can always add more. Yeah, because we need to save some, right? We also, yeah, you don't want to put too much because if it's too much, we will be out. It won't really be slime, and it's gonna be rippy and gooey. Right, Ruby, it will be. We're gonna put a little more baking soda. Let me see. Oh, you got it on yourself. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Make a wash your hands. You see how it's not so drippy? Look. It's kind of like slime. Yeah, could I have it back, Ruby? Yeah. We're gonna put a little more baking soda in them. That's a lot. Yeah. All right. Now let's mix. Mine is like getting hard. Mine is turning into slime. See how it's not so drippy? Mine is drippy. Oh, sorry. Now I'm gonna be turned into slime. I did not tell her to say that, guys. So, you see how it's like all over my hands. Just keep mixing. It'll turn into slime in just a second.
Ruby, can you help?
Hold on.
This is our art table, right?
It's kind of slime.
Yeah.
All right, now it's slime. Oh, it's actually slime.
Mine is already slime.
Gonna help you. Gonna take a little bit of your slime.
I'll get dirty here. Wash, wash, wash. There, my hands is dirty.
Okay, Finley, open that slime up. Get that one out. This is another way. If it's not, oh, this is actually slime now. Okay, get it all out. So for slime before I show them, put it right here. For slime before, I'm gonna mix it in.
Yeah, big. Big. My slime is already big.
Yep.
Ugh. Maybe it can be a booger.
Slime. Some parents out there don't like their kids having slime in their house. My parents let me, but my dad, that's the my dad doesn't really like the slime in our house because if it spills on the carpet, you don't want that to happen. Alright, so now let's get to my slime.
Get to my slime to play.
Oh, sorry, this is covering my slime.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just take this and. Oh. This is actually really fun. This slime is sticky.
This slime is not sticky. I know it's promised sticky. Sticky.
Okay, so now
That's gooey.
Now I'm going to mix this.
If you want to play a game, next time. Right, yeah.
Alright, now I'm going to mix them. This slime I just made with the slime I made before. Alright, I'm mixing them.
Oh, look at.
Oh, how's it going?
Don't do my nails.
Is it still the video? You guys
Yeah,
are awesome.
I still film.
Okay. Let's trim our nails and we're done.
Don't be mad.
Okay. Alright, guys.
That was our mom, right, Ruby?
Yeah. Alright, let's put our slime away. Now, I have another thing.
Now we're gonna
show you the slimes we have bought and made. So, stay tuned. Finley, talk to them while I do them. Talk to talk to the people.
So if you want to have fun, make sure that subscribe our channel and
Subscribe.
but I don't know how to say it.
It's fine. I'm not going to show you guys just yet.
It's a present.
Don't. That's what I mean. Oh my gosh, there's so much.
Well, now my slime is
Okay.
like getting bigger.
First slime. This one actually smells really good. I'm going to show you.
So me and her have played.
My dad. We're filming a video. Okay, so this texture.
Who opened the door?
No one.
Who's
Alright.
in my music
Look at
room?
that one.
No one.
Sound of music room.
No one.
Next. This yellow slime. This one's like the jingly slime. Look.
So wiggly and gooey. Not like this that is covering.
Why did he take it?
I tried to collect it at the pool. And he's like, well, my brick's still in there.
Here's the coconut slime. This one's really crunchy no matter what. are so messy.
Not my hands.
These slimes that I'm showing you right now are bought. This one's my favorite. I have so much slimes.
Yes, I like that one.
Haley has one.
All right, next
Dustin has one.
one. All right, this one I don't like. I don't want to show it, but things I do for you. I hate this one. It's so rippy and like it's not even fun.
It's not that fun,
I
but
hate this one. Okay,
but
I
really,
think. Wait,
Rogie?
this one is bought.
We used to eat pierogies. Mary was at the hospital all day. And shouldn't pay us any attention.
3, 4, but some more. But can you ask Mom that we can get some glitter out? Glitter paint.
I don't think we can. Listen, guys, this is really hard. I'm doing another video to show you guys all, but let's continue. This is the slime that we just. Oh, never mind. It's not.
It's her slime.
Okay. Here's my butter slime. It's a back. Guys, guess what? It used to be this color, but I turned it into this color. I don't know how. I don't even remember how. But it's still fun, guys.
Yeah, still fun. It's the same thing.
It's butter slime. This slime. Okay. The rest. Wait, no. The rest are homemade. This one and where's my other homemade slimes?
You
Wait.
mean your
This is the one we just made, guys. Well, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to comment down below, click that bell button, subscribe to me and Finley's channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!